Hello Salmedu, welcome back to IndiAfrican. Today we are going to make delicious egg masala. Ingredients we need are finely chopped 1 large onion, 1 large tomato finely chopped, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 green chilies, coriander leaves for garnishing, curry leaves about 3 to 4, chopped garlic about 1 teaspoon, Kasuri Methi optional to get better taste. Let's check out required spices. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon red chili powder, reduce if it is too spicy, salt as per your need. We are making egg masala using 4 boiled eggs. Removing eggshells gives utmost satisfaction ever. Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Let's make some cuts on the eggs for it to steep the masala really well. Let's get into the process now. Pour about 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. Now let's add garlic, ginger, green chilies and stir for about a minute. Let's add the finely chopped onions now. Also add the curry leaves. Stir well about 2 minutes. Now let's add some salt, turmeric powder. Stir well until the onion is fully fried. It's nicely fried now. Let's add the tomatoes. Fry the tomatoes too. Once the tomatoes get softened, let's add chili powder, black pepper powder, add about half cup of water, let it boil nicely. Now I am adding about a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi. Let's add the eggs now. Coat the masala all over the eggs. Stir it about 2-3 minutes. Finally, add some coriander leaves. It's ready now. Let's serve. The delicious, spicy egg masala is now ready. I hope you guys will definitely try this easy recipe and let me know how is it. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button below and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do try and enjoy. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.